Hi, my name is Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a product overview on the Volkswagen and Audi 2-liter TSI oil change kit. This particular oil change kit features 5 liters of the Revenol VMO 5W40, a Mala original oil filter, and the drain plug. Revenol VMO carries formal factory approval from Volkswagen for both the 50200 and 50501 oil quality standards. These are the only 2 oil specifications that should be used in a 2-liter TSI engine. If you don't specifically see those oil specifications indicated on the bottle, you should not use the oil. It is an inferior quality oil. What really sets this oil apart from other oils in the industry is Revenol's Clean Cinto technology. Clean Cinto is a higher quality, full synthetic oil base than what's typically used in the industry. And it features a highly advanced additive package that's engineered in Germany. When compared to other synthetic oils on the market, you'll notice a much quieter running engine, reduced deposit and sludge buildup, and an improvement in fuel economy. Specifically on the 2-liter TSI engines, we've experienced firsthand a much quieter running valve train when using the Revenol VMO. So that's just a few of the many features of the Revenol VMO. To see more, you can check out our website at blauparts.com. Our oil change kit also features a Mala original oil filter. Mala is an official OE manufacturer and refuses to sacrifice when it comes to the quality of their filters. This filter uses OE quality flow rates, materials, capacity, construction, and this filter also has the anti-drainback valve and a pressure relief valve. We also include the drain plug in our oil change kit. This is the identical design to the original drain plug with a built-in sealing washer. So that's what's included in our oil change kit for the Audi and Volkswagen 2-liter TSI engines. If you have any questions on our oil change kits, please feel free to give us a call, or as well you can check out our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.